Welcome back to Bootcamp Recruits. It's your favorite Sassy trainer, Miko. Okay, let's dive right into this. In our last explainer, we whipped your schedules into absolute shape with Notion Calendar. But today we are marching straight into the battlefield. We're transitioning directly from that perfectly organized calendar into the absolute disaster that is your traditional, unmanaged email inbox. I know, it's messy in there, but straighten your posture because we are going to fix it. Welcome to Notion Mail Bootcamp, Mastering the Smart Inbox.
Look, Mohammed Tayeb honestly said it best. Feels magical. I finally got rid of email anxiety. I might even love Notion Mail more than Notion itself. Mohammed totally gets it. If you want to be a top-tier virtual staff member, you cannot afford to let your inbox bully you. Your clients are going to expect pure efficiency, and you just can't be efficient if you're drowning in unread messages. So I'm promising you right now, stick with me through this explainer, and we are going to conquer that inbox dread today. We're turning you into absolute professionals.
All right, here's our strict training itinerary for today. 1. Welcome to Bootcamp. 2. Connect Gmail and organize. 3. AI auto-label magic. 4. Snippets and calendar integration. And 5. Ironclad privacy and security.
Module 1. Welcome to Bootcamp.
Listen up, the traditional inbox basically hasn't changed in, 20, 30 years? It has literally stayed stagnant for decades. When you're trying to actually get work done, especially when you're juggling a bunch of tasks for a client, a standard email setup just feels like it's fighting against you. It's this never-ending anxiety-inducing list sorted only by date. It's awful. But the Notion way? Oh, we're talking about customized views. Notion Mail essentially acts like a database. Think about the databases you already know and love in Notion. With Notion Mail, the elements from your emails become properties that you can actually filter. You can filter by domain, by calendar, by label, or by person. It completely transforms how you view your work. You're no longer just reacting to a messy timeline. You are proactively managing a system customized to your exact workflows.
Let's move right into Module 2, Connect Gmail and Organize. Okay, theory time is over. Let's get our hands dirty and start setting up this system step by step. If you want to be a highly paid virtual assistant, you need to know how to set up the tools, right? I'm going to hold your hand through this. It's incredibly simple. Step 1, open up Notion Mail. Step 2, click that big, beautiful Connect button. And Step 3, authorize your Google or Gmail account. That's literally it. Right now, Notion Mail integrates beautifully with your Google and Gmail accounts. And hey, a quick tip for my ambitious recruits who are juggling multiple clients. You can use multiple Notion accounts to manage different emails, but it currently keeps them separate rather than mixing them into one giant unified inbox. And honestly, that's way better for you right now. It keeps your client work beautifully compartmentalized so you don't accidentally send a hiring email to a support client. So, once you're connected, we're going to create your first custom label view. Step 1, click Views right over there in the sidebar. Step 2, choose how you want to filter your incoming mail. You can filter by domain, label, or person. Step 3, group your essential topics. For instance, let's say you handle both recruitment and customer service for a specific client. You can easily create one view dedicated entirely to hiring and another one entirely for support. You are building dedicated, distraction-free zones. When you're in the hiring view, you only see resumes and interview emails. No newsletters, no support tickets, just absolute focus.
All right, Module 3, AI Auto-Label Magic.
Okay, take a deep breath. This is where we pivot to the concept of delegation. You see, top-tier professionals do not sit there sorting every single piece of mail manually. No way. We're going to introduce the AI feature that will basically act as your personal bouncer to help you achieve the holy grail, Inbox Zero. Let me give you the definition straight up. AI auto-labeling is an intelligent assistant that identifies the different types of work you do and automatically categorizes incoming emails right into those workflows. So the crucial takeaway here is that you just need to tell Notion AI what's actually important to read. You tell it your priorities and it automatically handles the busy work of sorting the trash from the treasure the second it arrives.
Now, here are the exact detailed steps to activate this AI bouncer. Listen closely. Step 1, go to the top right of your inbox. Step 2, you're going to see a button that shows a list of suggestions. Click that, or just simply create a brand new custom label. Step 3, click Save to create the automated view. Boom, done. With Notion Mail's AI, all those unnecessary emails instantly get routed properly to spam, updates, or promotions, while you get to focus purely on the essential emails that actually pay your bills.
Let's look at how this plays out in the real world, because in practice, it's magical.
If your category is hiring, the AI automatically sorts incoming resumes and interview times right into your hiring view. If your category is support, it scoops up tickets like "I can't find my login" and groups them straight into the support view. And what about noise? It meticulously filters out those annoying cold emails and generic newsletters far, far away from your main inbox. This is exactly what it looks like when you're seamlessly juggling multiple client needs without breaking a sweat.
Which brings us to Module 4, Snippets and Calendar Integration.
Look, honestly, just the thought of typing the exact same email twice fills me with absolute exasperation. We are professionals. We need to work smarter, not harder. So I really have to ask you, are you seriously still typing the same repetitive reply, honey? Because if you are, we need an intervention right now. So much of email is highly repetitive, whether you're recruiting, doing customer support, or reaching out to new leads. Top-tier virtual staff simply don't do repetitive, manual typing for standard replies. We automate.
And this is exactly where snippets come in to save your life. You can build templates like, "Hi, first name. I'm Diana. I admire your work at company," and see potential for a partnership. Are you open to a quick chat? See? You never have to write the same email twice again. You use snippets with variables like first name and company to completely automate your responses for recruiting, support, or outreach with literally just one click. You create the template once, and you reuse it forever.
But here is where my mind was completely blown and where we connect right back to our previous explainer. When you insert a snippet that includes a booking link, it integrates automatically and seamlessly with Notion Calendar. It literally scans your calendar for your available free times and generates a one-click booking link for the recipient right there in the body of the email. It magically turns a simple text snippet into a frictionless scheduling experience. I'm telling you, your clients are going to think you're an absolute wizard.
And actually drafting these emails? It's a dream. The Notion editor lets you quickly compose beautiful emails using the familiar basic blocks you already know. You can drop in bulleted lists, quotes, callouts, and clean headings. Writing an email feels incredibly fast, and it feels just like using the beautiful Notion workspace you already love. No clunky formatting, just pure aesthetic efficiency.
Finally, Module 5, Ironclad Privacy and Security. All right, recruits, square your shoulders. I'm adopting a slightly more serious tone for a second here because when you're working as a virtual staff member, you are handling sensitive client data, and we do not play games with that, ever. Notion Mail is built from the ground up with data security in mind. It's fully GDPR and CCPA compliant, it's HIPAA and SOC 2 Type 1 certified, and most importantly, let me put this in straightforward layman's terms. There is absolutely no training on your data. Your client's information is completely locked down, it's strictly secure, and it is never ever used to train their AI models. You can confidently tell your prospective clients that their business is totally safe in your expertly managed, highly secure inbox.
So, recruits, we've broken down the old, messy ways. We've connected our accounts, we've set up our intelligent AI bouncer, automated our replies with slick calendar links, and we've locked down our security. So I've got one final question for you. Now that your inbox is a highly customized, automated machine, are you ready to go out there and secure your first virtual staff client? Because with a system like this, there is absolutely nothing stopping you. Class dismissed. Get out there and dominate.